Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we have already covered all the concept of straight lines. Today we are doing miscellaneous exercise. It is NCERT chapter 10 miscellaneous exercise based on straight lines. So let us begin question number 1. So here find the values of k for which the line k minus 3 into x 4 minus k into your y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is 0. First, the condition is for part 1 it is parallel to x-axis, condition 2 parallel to y-axis, and last is passing through the origin. So equation is k minus 3 into x minus 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is 0. We'll go one by one. First is your parallel to x-axis. Any line is parallel to x-axis means its slope is 0. Slope is 0. What is slope? Slope for a general line, you know, it will be negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y. We have already discussed in the last video. So it will be coefficient of x is how much? K minus 3 with a negative sign and your 4 minus k square. I'll make it 0. So when I'll make it 0, so ultimately the numerator is 0 or I'm getting k is equal to 3. So this is the answer for part 1. K should be 3. Now coming to part B. A line is parallel to y axis. That means your reciprocal of m is 0. So I'll write 1 by m is 0, or I can write b by a is equal to 0. I am not taking the negative. So this gives you 4 minus k square by k minus 3 is 0. So 4 minus k square is 0. What does it mean? It means that k square is equal to 4 or k is equal to either plus 2 or minus 2. Now coming to C, passing through the origin. Passing through origin means it is 0, 0. So in place of x you put 0, in place of y you put 0. So you how much we are getting? You are getting k square minus 7k plus 6 is 0. Now split the middle term, you will get k minus 6 into k minus 1 is 0. So this gives you either k is equal to 6 or k is equal to 1. So this is answer. Now coming to question number 2. Find the value of theta and p if the equation x cos theta, y sin theta is p is the normal form of root 3x plus y plus 2 is 0. So if a general equation is ax plus by is equal to c, then its normal form is equal to under root by a square plus b square into x plus by under root a square plus b square into y is equal to cy under root a square plus b square when this is your p, and coefficient of x will be cos theta and coefficient of y will be sin theta. So we have to identify what is a, b, c here. So root 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. But you cannot make c negative because this is perpendicular distance. So how much it will be? It will be your, I'll make negative root 3x minus y is equal to 2. Sorry, it is not minus 2y, it will be only y. Now I'll divide throughout by root 3 square because a is root 3 and b is square. I am not taking negative because square of negative is also positive. So minus root 3 square plus root 3 square makes same thing. So it will be 4 square root of 4 is 2. So I'll divide throughout by p, 2. So this will be minus root 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2y is equal to 2 by 2, that will be 1. So this 1 is your p. Now next is cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2, and sine theta is equal to minus half. That means both are negative. So theta is in third quadrant. When it is in third quadrant, cos theta is root 3 by 2 and sine theta is equal to half. That means it will be 180 plus 30 degree. So this theta is equal to 180 plus 30 degree. That will be 210 degree. So theta is 210 degree and your p is equal to 1. Question number 3. Find the equation of the lines which cut off the intercept on the axes whose sum and product of the intercept are 1 and minus 6. That means if a line is making intercept A and B, we know that the equation is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X intercept we take as your A, y intercept we take as B. But here they are not given directly, their sum is given. That means A plus B is given 1 and A multiplies B is minus 6. You have to find AB, then you will solve it. So A plus B is 1, A into B is minus 6. Can you guess the number? Because in the competitive examination, you may not get the time to get it. So AB will be either A is 3, B is minus 2, or A is minus 2, B is 3. Because their product is minus 6, one is negative, one is positive, and sum is 1. So these are the options, but let me calculate how we are getting. So in place of B, I'll write it is 1 minus A, and I'll put in the second one. So this will be A into 1 minus A is equal to minus 6, or this gives me A minus A square is equal to minus 6, or I'll get A square plus 6 minus A. This will be, I'm putting the negative one, so it's minus A square minus A minus 6 is equal to 0. So this gives me A minus 3 into A minus plus 2 is 0. So A is 3, B is minus 2, or A is 2, B is minus 3. So what is the equation? Equation will be x by 3 plus y by minus 2 is 1. This is one equation. Of course, you will simplify it. It will be minus 6 minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6, one equation. Or it will be x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to minus 3, this is equal to 1. Then I am getting your minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Or you can write in different form, changing the negative or positive. Question number 5. Question of 5 is the find the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line joining 2 points are given. Cos theta, sin theta, cos phi, sin phi. We have to get the perpendicular distance from origin to a line joining the point. One is cos theta, sin theta. Other is cos phi, sin phi. So let it be named as P and this is Q. So what is the equation to PQ? I'll write the equation. So I'll take 2 points form. What is it? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will be y minus sin theta by x minus cos theta is equal to sin phi minus sin theta by cos phi minus cos theta. Now I am simplifying this with trigonometric formula. So sin A minus sin B, it will be minus 2, not minus 2 cos phi minus theta by 2 plus into sine phi minus theta by 2. And the denominator cos negative, so it will be minus 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 into sine phi minus theta by 2. So let me cancel it. So this will be this much. So what I'm getting? I'm getting cos phi plus theta by 2 into sine with a negative sign phi plus theta by 2. Next I'm cross multiplying. So I'm getting y minus y into sine phi plus theta by 2 plus sine phi plus theta by 2 into sine theta is equal to x into cos phi plus theta by 2 minus cos phi plus theta by 2 into cos theta. Now I am taking x terms to left side. So I'll get your minus x cos phi plus theta by 2 minus y sine phi plus theta by 2 is equal to this. I'm taking to right side. So it will be minus sine theta plus phi by 2, that constant term I'm taking to right side. Theta minus cos phi plus theta by 2 into cos theta. Now I can remove negative from all the terms. So I'm getting x cos phi plus theta by 2 minus y sine phi plus theta by 2 is equal to, it will be this. See, this is a formula cos theta plus phi by 2 and sin theta by 2. So this will be cos theta minus phi plus theta by 2. So if we'll simplify, it will be cos theta minus phi by 2. So it is simplified. Now this is the equation. What is the length of the perpendicular? From origin, what is the formula? It will be c by under root a square plus b square. So what is c here? C is your this one. What is a? A is this one. And what is b? B will be this one. So here, please note that I cancelled all the negative terms, make all the positive terms, and in the right side I made a formula. You can pause the video. You can find how this we are getting this one. Taking this as a, this is b, again a, b. So it will be cos a minus b. So now I am getting the perpendicular distance from origin. So this will be cos for theta minus phi by 2 upon under root. You will see that I am getting the same thing, phi plus theta by 2 plus sine square phi plus theta by 2. Is it 1? Yes. So ultimately the answer is cos theta minus phi by 2. This is the answer of perpendicular distance from origin. Question number 8. Find the area of the triangle formed by y minus x is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 0, and x minus k is equal to 0. You know the area formula. First, you have to get the intersection points. So first